How's it going? It's Derek Lau with the February 2021 aideM Media Minute. And with February being Black History Month, I wanted to give you an update on our Giving Black project that we're doing about African American leadership and entrepreneurship. We have a teaser update from Derek Gaskins that we shot in Boston, Massachusetts. And we are going to be shooting some more episodes on the West Coast and in Georgia coming up. So stay tuned and check that out. And as you can see, and you've probably noticed, unless you've been living under a rock, we've had a lot of snow this month. So on a personal note, I just want to share a video about me and the kids out snowboarding at Roundtop. I took Matthew and Alex for lessons at Roundtop, and I took Olivia and Liam on an adventure up to Blue Mountain. So I hope you enjoy that video. And to let you know what's been going on business-wise at aideM Media, in this type of business climate, you always have to change and learn new things. So we've pivoted and we've picked up some new skills. One of the new things that we learned how to do this year is FPV drone flying. So we can fly drones indoors, and we wear the goggles, and it's a first-person point of view. We can shoot indoors, we can shoot offices and things like that. So that's one of the new skills that we've picked up, and we're actually going to be going out to a drone conference in Ohio to learn how to improve our skills and get even better with FPV drone flying. The other thing we started doing a lot more of is live streaming. We did a couple live streaming concerts, and we've done streaming of events. With people not being able to gather in person, they still need to get together somehow and communicate as a company and still find ways to share events. So there's actually an interview that we did with Joy Dixon from the High Companies on how we were able to help High with one of their events through live streaming. So with all that's going on in the world and everything that's going on in people's personal lives and business and things like that, I just wanted to give you an update, let you know what we're up to at aideM Media. We got our Giving Black documentary program coming out. Again, just wanted to give you a personal family update on how my family's been enjoying this winter weather. And I also just wanted to give you some positive and inspiring news on ways that we've been improving our skills at aideM Media and bringing new and improved services to our customers. So if you know anybody that might be interested to learn more about video production or what we've been doing in aideM Media, feel free to share this with them. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with what we got going on in aideM Media. And again, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate you for subscribing to our email list and checking out our videos and just staying in tune and staying on the same wavelength of what we got going on here at aideM Media. We got some really big things going on in March, so we'll get a video out to you and let you know what's going on. Hopefully it starts to warm up and the snow goes away and we can start to enjoy spring. But again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in March. Take care.